Hey mate, how's it going? Just been having a look through the stuff from this week, and to be honest, it's been a very, very good week. Pretty much everything is how I would like it to be. I would say. Energy dipped a little bit around the middle of the week there, but it's not anything to be concerned about. It's maintained well throughout the rest of the week. Sleep a little bit low. Um, well, you just say low compared to the rest of the time, but still kind of within that 7 to 9 hours that we want anyway. So that's fine. Quality as well is good. Hunger, controlled fairly well. You said that you've been on top of your nutrition this week, and I think it's definitely showed. And then your training has been decent. Couple of dips in performance from what you thought, but I mean that could kind of line up with maybe quality of sleep. Energy's not been too bad, so we're just kind of trying to maybe work out why that's been. Maybe it's just been an off day. But on the whole, it's kind of been very, very good. And then steps are exactly where we want them. So that average of kind of between 11.5 and 12,000 is exactly where we want to try and hold it now, for the rest of the time. And then your weight has dropped very, very nicely, especially with that 61.9 this morning. That was excellent. So really, I mean, it might go up a little bit back up into the 62s start of this week, but if we can get it down into the 61s, mid 61s, or even below 61s by this time next week, that will be a very, very good step to what we want to achieve. Because I was just kind of looking now, I'm not very good with kilograms, I work better in pounds. And basically, where you're at now is about 136.5 pounds. So, I reckon another £6 takes us down to just under 59 kilograms, or 130 pounds. And I think that would be kind of like very, very nice kind of place, because you're looking, quite lean at the moment, getting better shape. Obviously we're in good shape anyway, but even better shape now. But yeah, I think if we have that as a target, we've got 4 weeks to hit it. 4 weeks for £6. That's a very doable amount. Less than £2 a week. But you've kind of lost almost £2 this week anyway. So if we keep on going now, exactly how this week has been, another 4 weeks of that, you'd definitely be in a very, very good position by the time you go on holiday. So yeah, I am not going to change a thing at the moment because I'm very happy with how things are. I think maybe the last 2 to 3 weeks we might just drop calories a tad lower, but to be honest, I'd rather you just focus on the step count if you can, and just keep that as high as you can. But if the weight keeps coming down as it is, I don't think we'll need to make any more major changes with the calories. For now, we're just going to stick with what we've got. As long as the hunger stays in control as well, then we're good really. So yeah, absolutely nothing changes from now on, or for this week anyway. Just keep your head down. Get this week done exactly the same as last week, and then we'll have another look next Sunday. Alright, but yeah, I had a good time yesterday as well. It was very good to see you all, and the dog was great. Me and Justine both said afterwards that we'd love to have a little dog like that. It was so chilled as well. But we'll see. So yeah, that's that for today. Any questions, let me know. Alright.